Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we learn ABCD but in small letter. Colors. Colors name. Pink color, brown color, neon color, red color, orange color, black color, sky blue color, blue color. A for alphabet, A for alphabet. B for boss, B for boss. C for candy, C for candy. D for doll, D for doll. E for eggplant, E for eggplant. F for fish, F for fish. G for groundnut, G for groundnut. H for home, H for home. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nose, N for nose. O for owl, O for owl. P for piano, P for piano. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for red, R for red. S for star, S for star. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for uncle, U for uncle. V for village, V for village. W for water, W for water. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Cute smiley for happy kid. So kids, today we learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in next video kids. Till then, bye.